Hi guys, so today we're going to be unboxing my November Boxy Charm. I went ahead and signed up for the Boxy Prime or Premiere, I think that's what it's called, and then I get my regular Boxy Charm box. So if you didn't know, Boxy Charm has gone to $25 a month. The regular box did. They say that they're gonna have nicer products in there, which is why they raised the price. And then the one that I just got, I think it's Premiere or Prime, Boxy Prime, I'm not really sure. But anyways, that one is a $35 a month box. You get them both throughout the months. The $35 a month box is supposed to have 6 to 7 products, full-size products a month. So I kind of wanted to show you what was in both of them this month because I wanted to see if it's kind of even worth it to get both or if it's just best to get one or the other. Now I know you can't get the newer box by itself yet. You have to get the regular Boxy Charm, so that's something to keep in mind right now. They said down the road eventually that they might be able to do that, but right now you can only get the Premiere if you keep your regular Boxy Charm. Anyways, I think that's how that goes. All right, let me go ahead and show you what's in my regular Boxy Charm for the month of November. Right. I ended up getting box number 21, and you get the description this month, which is really nice. So the first thing I've got are Starry Eyes self-warming eye mask, and I got 2 of them, a 30-second self-warming eye mask. I'm not too sure how these work. I don't normally do a lot of masks. I always forget to do them, and then I end up giving them away at the end of, you know, when I go through my makeup stuff. So I'm excited to give these a try. I hope I can remember to put these on my face. These are $10 for the set of 2. And they are a self-heating pop mask. Soothes dry eyes and supports youthful sleep. So I'm assuming that you put these on right before bed. I don't know. We'll have to find out. You guys let me know if you got these in your Boxy Charm this month and if you've tried them, what you thought of them, and if you use them at all. All right, that was $10 for that. The next thing I got is from Juice Beauty. It is the Stem Cell Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. So this box looks like it's gonna be for eyes. This is a $50 product. It is a stem cell with the vitamin C for your under eyes. It minimizes the appearance of dark circles, it says, which is really good because I do have dark circles. I always use foundation or concealer to cover that up, but after the day kind of goes by, my eyes, it just kind of pops through. So anything that's going to minimize dark circles for me is really good. So hopefully that works out. Let me know if you guys have tried that and if it worked out for you at all, or if it was something that you're just like, I will not purchase that again. Because that is pretty expensive. $50 is a pretty expensive price for the amount that you're getting, which is 0.5 fluid ounces, so you're not getting very much of it in the box for $50. All right, the next thing I got here is from Farricelli, Rose Gold Shimmer Mist, Rose Gold Skin Mist, it says, from Farricelli. This is a $39 value. It says a 4-in-1, wonderful for all skin types. It says infused with gold flakes and rosehip seed oil for hydration, alcohol-free mist. All right, is this for your face or is this just for your body? Let's see. Yes, it's for your face. So it is a rose infused mist. It is a glass bottle, it feels like. Yes, it is a glass bottle. It's a really, really pretty bottle. I don't know if you can see in the bottle there, but it does have some like rose flecks in there. I don't know if I want to spray this on my face. I think I'll wait because I don't want to break out or anything like that. Again, this is a very expensive bottle. It's $35. It does seem to have some really nice ingredients in it. Rosehip seed oil is really, really nice. I use it every night on my face, so that's something that I'm really excited about. It says it's for all skin types, and it says it's alcohol free, which is really nice. You don't want to put alcohol on your face unless it's like something that's not drying to your face at all. There are some alcohols out there that aren't drying to your face. So all right, let's go ahead and see what's next in the box. All right, so I've got a Crystal Thunder Dominique Cosmetics palette. This is a $35 value. I haven't tried anything from Dominique Cosmetics except for their lip gloss. I think it was that I got right here. I think this is from Dominique. Yeah, it is. So I like this lip gloss. I'm really excited to try their eyeshadows. I haven't seen the inside of this yet. Oh, that's pretty. All right, so you've got different colors there. You've got your pops of blue that everybody's putting in their shadows nowadays, and you got some oranges and pinks, and then your white for your brow bone and a gray. So that's gonna be nice to play around with and see how that works. The black that's here has some really nice like glitter flakes in it. It has like pink and purples and it looks like gold glitter flakes. And then the one next to it, Fireball, which is this one here, that one has some really nice glitter flakes in it too. So there's 5 mattes it looks like, and then 3 glitters. So this will be something to give a try. Recently I've really been just putting like a matte color all over the lid, like a really dark matte color, and then kind of just blending that out. And then if I want, I'll put just a tiny bit of a shimmer in the middle, but that's about it. Really simple, just what I did today, and it's actually been working really nice. It's a really quick way for me to get my eye look done in the morning, so it's something that I've been doing a lot lately now, and I'm excited to give that palette a try and see if I can do some of those eye looks with that as well. So the last thing I got in the box here is from Dose of Colors, and it is one of their liquid lipstick. I love Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. I got the color Date Night, and it looks like it's a red color. $18 value. If you haven't tried any of Dose of Colors lipsticks, I strongly suggest you do. This is a really nice red color. I think this will be really nice for the holidays, so I'm excited to give this a try. I have a really nice red color from Jeffree Star's collection. It's called Red Rum. It's such a pretty color. It reminds me of this color here. So hopefully it's kind of like that. Dose of Colors lipsticks dry down really nicely. They last all day long. Super, super nice lipsticks, so I'm excited to get one of those. All right, and then I also got like a tester from Pretty Vulgar. It's their undercover lightweight concealer, so it gives me like 4 different colors to try out there. That was everything I got in my $25 box this month, so let me see what that added up to. So my box added up to $152 this month, and I paid $25 for it plus shipping, so it was around $26 or so for the smaller Boxy Charm box. And if you notice, the boxes are a little bit bigger this month, and they said on their website that they were going to be bigger, that way they can start putting more things in there. All right, let's go ahead and get into the second box that I got this month. Now this box is the $35 a month box, and let's see what they sent me in this one. It's Premiere, Boxy Charm Premiere. All right, so it basically has the same logo on here, and I'm assuming that we all get the same box this month. I'm not sure, but anyways, I got box 13. So let's see what came in my box for the Premiere. I'm actually really excited to see what they came up with for this box, because I'm expecting it to be nicer than the original Boxy Charm, because you are paying an extra $10 a month for this one here. All right, first thing I got here, I think it says Kapari. It is a coconut rose toner. I love toner, so I'm excited to give this a try. All right. Ooh, that is a really nice bottle. So it's basically just a spray. I'm assuming you use this like any other toner to, after cleaning, spritz into clean face and use. So this is like, I guess it's not one that you would like use on a cotton pad. You just spritz it on your face. So kind of like the ones that you get from Mario Badescu. They have some toners that you don't need to use on the pad. You just spray it on your face. So that is the first thing I got here. Let me know if you guys have tried this before. It's a coconut rose toner. So coconut oil for some reason breaks me out, so I'm kind of nervous to use this, but we'll see how it works. I usually get like really bad breakouts with coconut. I don't know what it is, and it dries out my face like really, really bad. Let me know if you guys have that same problem. This is a $25 value, so that's nice if it works, and we'll see how that works on my face, because my face for some reason doesn't like coconut as much as other people do. So the next thing I have here is from Dragon Beauty. This is a $25 value, personally formulated by the mother of dragons. Dragonfly works well on all skin types and tones to help cancel, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles. So this is a concealer, I would think, if that's what it's doing. Oh. This is a concealer. I'm assuming this is a concealer. It's very, very dark. So that will be interesting to see how that works. Shake well before using. It says Skin Perfector Potion. Skin Perfecting Potion. So this is really good for under eye stuff if you have really, really dark circles under your eyes. So I'll definitely give this a try and see how it works out. If not, I'll pass this on to my sister who loves to use stuff like this under her eyes. I would assume you don't need to use very much of this because it's very, very dark. So I would say use that very sparingly under the eyes, and then kind of smooth it out and then go in with your concealer. That would be the best way to use that. That's a $25 value. The next thing I got here is from Natasha Denona. This is the Balm Blush and Glow Palette. The Ultimate Glow Palette, inspired by Natasha Denona's best-selling Diamond and Blush Palette. featuring some of her best-selling shades and formula. So this is a really pretty box. Let's see here. This is a $55 value. That is a beautiful, beautiful packaging there. I think that is so pretty. I'm sorry if I'm giving you a glare there. That is really, really pretty. Beautiful packaging. Just gonna A+ for that. Let's see. It has a magnet on it, a very nice mirror. And then it looks like, oh, so you've got one, what is that? That is kind of like, that is funny. All right, so that's pretty actually. I just kind of rubbed it on my hand there. But that is a cream blush, and I think that's a cream highlight as well. Yeah, so let me go ahead and I'll just swatch these both for you so you can see. So there's the blush. Let me just kind of smooth it out. That's gonna be something that you need to use very, very lightly. And then here's the highlight. Let's see, and the highlight's not really showing up that much, but it is cream. So, oh, there it is. Okay, so let me just see. That's interesting. So I would definitely use a stipple brush or something with the blush, because that is a very dark blush. So let's see, there's the blush, and then the highlight's right under it. You can see that, but that's really pretty. Something that I will definitely give a try and see how it works. I'm not really into cream blushes because I can go pretty heavy-handedly with them, and then you end up getting two of their like powder stuff here too. So let me go ahead and swatch those. There's those two there, and then let's see. Wow, so that would be pretty as well. Of course, I'm not doing a great job of swatching those, but there we go. So that's that. That's really pretty packaging. I'm excited to give it a try. I'm always excited to get new brands that I haven't tried. I haven't tried anything from Natasha Denona because it's so expensive. So I just can't bring myself to buy anything. But I'll give this a try and see how it works. That blush is very blushy. It is a very, very dark blush. So you're going to want to go super, super light-handed with that. Especially since it's a cream, you're going to want to blend out really, really well. Maybe even under your foundation. I don't know. We'll see how that works out. I'm definitely going to give that a try and I'll let you guys know. Maybe I'll just do it on a Get Ready With Me so we can try it together. All right, that was $55. The next thing I have is from Becca. It is a glow gloss, lumination for your lips, with a luxurious conditioning lip colors that combine the shine and gloss. So is this here, and it is a $22 value. I've got champagne creme cream is what it's called. So that's definitely a champagne color. So that would be like a topper for me. For me, it's just a lip gloss. I'm not a big fan of lip glosses. I like certain ones. Mostly I just take like a chapstick with me to work and put that on all day. So I'll probably end up putting that in my purse and taking it with me so I can see how it works out. All right, and then one more thing that I got here is from QMS Med Cosmetics. It is a nourishing formula developed to rejuvenate, hydrate, and care for sensitive skin around the eyes. So this is an eye cream. Always excited about eye creams. I'm using a great one now, but I'm always happy to include other ones. So this is $150 value. Wow, that's really, really expensive. And it's only gonna last for 6 months, so don't open this until you're ready to use it. You're only getting 0.57 ounces, so you only need to use a small amount. So don't open this up until you're absolutely ready to use that, because you don't want to waste it, especially since it's only good for 6 months, and that means that the ingredients in there will start diminishing the effects. So don't open it until then. All right, and then the last thing I got is from Boxy Charm. It is a 5-piece brush set for $65. So let's see here. These are super interesting. They're a very weird shape. They're like flat. Can you see that there? They're like flat little brushes. That's gonna be very nice. This is gonna be really nice for contour. This one here would be really, really nice for contouring the nose. Excited about that. This one would be really good for foundation or even the blush. And Or this one could be good for the blush as well. Like really, you know, trying that new blush that I got from Natasha Denona. And this one here, who knows what this is for. It's a smaller one, maybe for really, really detailed contouring. So I'm excited to give these a try. I love getting brushes. These are very different. They're very packed. They remind me of the paddle brushes, but in a different form. So I'm excited about that. They do come in a really nice, secure bag too as well. Those are a $65 value. So let me go ahead and add up this box for you and tell you how much that one came out to for the month. So my box came out to $342 and I paid $35 in shipping and all that. So probably about $36 for it. So that's actually a really nice price as well. I think that I do enjoy all the stuff that came in this box as well. I was very curious to see how the first box was going to go, and I was hoping that it was going to, you know, at least value a lot more than the $25 box did, which it did, which I'm very excited about. And I'm also excited about the products that I got in both. I'm very excited that BoxyCharm decided to do 2 separate boxes and not give you a variation of the same box in the bigger Premier box, because then I was just gonna be like, I don't need those extra products. So I'm excited to see what's coming in December. So December, I'm gonna be getting the Boxy Luxe box, and then I'll get the Premier box. So I'll definitely do a side-by-side with those as well. If you guys enjoy these kind of unboxings, I'll just hold them until then. But I'm excited to see what's to come. I also did decide to cancel my Ipsy subscription. Just because I was going to get 2 of these boxes and the Ipsy was just going to be too much product for me. So just so you know, I won't be doing Ipsy anymore. And eventually if I get, you know, bored, if I want more products, I'll go back to Ipsy. But just for right now, I felt like it wasn't as great as products as I was getting in BoxyCharm. So I think I'm just gonna stick with BoxyCharm, get 2 of their boxes a month, and I should be good. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any questions. Their information is always in the description, so if you wanna go and order or try to order or do anything with BoxyCharm, it's down in the bottom. That is a coded link, so if you don't want to give me BoxyCharm points, go ahead and just go onto BoxyCharm all on its own and order from there. I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you later.